There was a time when I was weak, when people looked past me, when I looked in the mirror and saw nothing but failure. But weakness is a choice, and I stopped choosing it. Pain became fuel. Doubt became fire. I stopped waiting for someone to save me and started saving myself. No one is born strong. Strength is earned. You don't level up by chance. You level up because you refuse to stay the same. So stop hiding. For as long as you can breathe, you can always push through.